Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles directly from an Epson XP-202 without the use of a connected PC or laptop. So on the front of the printer we're looking for the stop button, which is this one here, represented by an upside down triangle in a circle. And this is ever so simple. What we're going to do is hold it down for 3 seconds and then release. And this will take your printer a minute or so, and you can tell if it's still working on this process because the power light over here will be flashing. Now prior to this we did have a low ink warning on this printer, but hopefully it's going to let us go through the whole process. Now the power light has finished flashing, we know the clean is complete. If you wish to check the results of your clean, you can just print out another page. But even better than that, there is a dedicated nozzle check you can do directly from the printer, which we have a separate video for on our channel if you're interested. But thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.